always win the game. I feel so proud when I choose what's best because good food helps me pass each test. Thank you, Lord, for food each day, for loving hands that help and pray. This nutrition